ay pumapasok na nakainom pala ng tuba. At yung isa pa, tuwing time ng practical arts, yung mga lalaki panay ang katok sa dingding dahil may maliit na butas pala doon. May sinusuot silang mga maliliit na papel at may mga notes na nakasulat. At binabantayan nila kung sino ang lihim na taga-reply ng sulat. Pero hanggang sa dumating ang graduation day, ay hindi nila nahuli kung sino yung sumasagot sa mga notes na yon. And not only that, I then first thank the Lord for His kindness that He gave to us, our dear teachers, who walked along with us in our journey and who shared wisdom in their own way. To our dear teachers, we're grateful to have you. Thank you for helping us, for molding us in the best way we could, for the care and sympathy you gave to us, for being kind and supportive during our stay here. To our alma mater, thank you that we've been part of this school and accepted all of us, the transferees coming from Sibuyan colleges. We will never forget that we've been here for only a year, but it remains to our mind and heart that we enjoyed a good and meaningful time. I, my friends and classmates, our sincerest gratitude to some of our teachers coming from Sibuyan colleges who we invite also to celebrate with us this very special occasion. Our former school principal, Mr. Romualdo Rosas, alang hindi siya nakarating ngayon. Mr. Rocky Kirao, Mr. Wilfredo Marabilia, Miss Nelly Rada, na hindi rin nakarating ngayong araw. And also, the two teachers na lang talaga kami. Bakit po? Kasi sinamahan kami sa pag-transfer namin dito. Si Ma'am Susan Altubano at Ma'am Violeta Champo. And especially to our teachers here in Kahidjukan National High School, former Kahidjukan Barangay High School. I say thank you very much. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi namin mararating kung ano kami ngayon. So, thank you, and I'm still looking forward na sana more reunions to come para happy together ang Batch 87. Again, good day and have a nice time. Let us enjoy the day till night ito mga batchmates. Kaya kalimutan muna kahit sa loob lang ng isang araw yung mga problema natin sa buhay. Ika nga, just go with the flow and enjoy. And I'm very sure you'll not regret this day. Kasi umattend kayo sa ating Silver Jubilee Class Reunion. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lalaine. Ayan, nabuking na naman kayo. At syempre, pakinggan ulit natin ang mensahe